See now Be'ezishem is above beitzah daf yud omid beis. It's perik sheni locha beis. Dog the Eidge Mishnah Chalias achar Shabbos. What happens if Yom Tov happens to be on a Sunday, not on a Friday, on a Sunday? Sham omer matbilin as a koil lifnei Shabbos. You cannot. Now Yom Tov people used to toivel everything. It should be with tahara. Even people don't want to eat chulin with tahara. So what do? They toivel everything. So usually you toivel it erev Yom Tov, but here you cannot toivel on Shabbos. So you have to toivel it day before that. Omer kelim lifnei Shabbos, Adam b'Shabbos. All the kelim you have to toivel before Shabbos. You know, because it's some second morning. You're not allowed to toivel kelim on Shabbos. But a person wants to be matar himself for regel, he can do it on Shabbos. Person, the Gemara says, never can maker, there's no chashash of tikkun. Gemara explains, but nisim v'kelim gedoyla. Even a kelim, the only problem is big kelim. A kelim katana mar malein but bila, because nobody knows. Maybe you just want to fill it up with water. That's it. One of the ways he does. He toivels it, and people don't see. People think he's just filling up water. Also, if he has a dli, a pail, same thing. It's not nicker that you're doing with the same tvila. It's mutter. There's two amorim that discuss this Mishnah. Chad Omar bekein shenitmu b'avatuma. This Mishnah is dafke avatuma. But vlada tima shor la'at. If it's a tuma, vlada tuma, it's only tuma the rabbanon. You're allowed to do it on yontif. It's not such a tikkun mana. Charana Omar bekein shenitmu vlada tim. Even then, you cannot do it. Ma'aseh Omar vlada tuma, Omar b'avatuma. He asked a question on him. How can you say the Mishnah talks ba'avatum so what's the whole tachlis here? Let's say a sheretz touched it. So what are you planning to do here? Why are you taving this? Chulun is not, doesn't matter. I'm talking about chulun here, so that's not, you're not makbid on Harav Shemesh here. So according to him, we're talking about ba'avatum. He holds with Vlada Tuma, there's no issue at all. The Mishnah is only talking about Avat Tuma. That's when there's an issue. And you can do it with Harama, but there's a problem. Vlada Tuma is not a problem at all. You're asking a question, what is why should a person want to be Toivel of Avat Tuma? What's behind him? What is he accomplishing? He's accomplishing to eat Chulun. Chulun, but it doesn't need Harav Shemesh. So according to him, the Mishnah, there's an Isser. The Toivel is only talking about Avat Tuma. Vlad Tuma is never a problem. This is a separate din that the person is chayav tvila. He's chayav tvila. Tvila b'zman a mitzvah. Let's say it's if a sheretz or Tmei Meis, Tumas Nevela, whatever it is, or a Zava, Nida. All these people came if their time happened to be on Tisha B'av and Kippur, no problem. No, you should push it off. I didn't say the din of carry, because carry you are allowed to do it, because then you cannot. It's also a different Torah, so you can't daven. So that's why I didn't say carry. We're talking here about other tefillas besides carry. That you should push off your tefillah. Let's say Tumas Sheretz or Tumei Meis, you push it off for after Yom Kippur. But Adam is Shabbos, can Adam toiv the keruya b'Shabbos. So, since a person is allowed to be toivel about carry, is allowed to be toivel. It's saying why is there no inyan of tikkun mana by a person? Why by a person there's no tikkun mana? Some say here it means nira can maker. I don't know if that's the real meaning here. That's what some say here. Nira can maker. But kiruya, it doesn't mean maker. Kiruya means to carry. And I think it means because about carries a lot of itoivel because he has no choice. He's also with the Torah, so Chacham matter for him. I think that's Pashup Pshat in this Yerushalmi. V'shalman shemashiken es hamayim b'kli even letaharam avalei matbirim. Sham means B'sham will agree that you could do even on Shabbos. You could, if you're not toiving a keli, you're just taking water that's tamei and putting it in a keli of stone, so the keli is not makabel tumah, and you want to make the water royal shtia. That you could for sure do. Why? Because it's not such a tikkun. It's not like you're sucking like a keli. It's food. It's water. So that everybody agrees you're allowed to do it. Avlemat bilim, not eights. Kli eights, everybody agrees you cannot do on Shabbos, right? You cannot be matar kli eights. Let's say we talk about avatuma, even vladatuma, but the water that's in the kli avenue allowed. Another halacha, matbilim megav legav. We'll see what that means. It's a tefillah that's not really necessary, just the shame chumra ba'alma. That's what you're allowed to do. So the Gemara, masnita the loike Rebbe. This Mishnah does not go like Rebbe. The Tone aim at being klegamai beyantiv. He holds you're not allowed to be madbel keli agaba meima beyantiv. That's number one. So this part we didn't have yet. The Mishnah was talking about Shabbos, but here Rabbi says you're not. But you're not allowed to do keli. Means you want to be matbel the keli and agav meima. If you have water there, agav urcha, you want to be toivel also the keli. We didn't have this discussion yet, but the second part is the main thing. This part is not like our Mishnah. Our Mishnah says that even on Shabbos, you're allowed to be masak in the water. If your own intention is to make the water royal shtia, you're allowed to do it. So Rabbi holds no. Rabbi holds you're not allowed to do it on Shabbos. Shabbos. The Chachamim is our Mishnah that you are allowed to do it. Okay, this is the end of the